Fuckers stealing chains, beating up my homies and shit. Y'all broke boys, man. If you steal a chain, you fucking broke as shit, bro. Jumping people and shit. That's not cool, bro. Jumping people. How about you do a one-on-one fight? Seriously. Do it like that. But you gotta have all your homeboys make you feel cool and jump somebody. Fuck y'all and fuck y'all stealing chains. See me? I don't wear no chain. Just for that reason. But I don't have anything against people wearing chains. I'm gonna get a fucking chain. Guess what? Nobody gonna get that shit off me. Try me when I get my chain. But to all you fuck ass people stealing chains, fuck you. Stop jumping rappers. Stop stealing chains. Selling them so you can buy a fucking iPad, you fucking broke ass bitches. Oh, Mr. Perfecto, man. Yeah. So all you broke ass boys stealing chains, fucking with my homies, fuck y'all.